Here are some of the best affiliate marketing programs that you can join this year. Some of them are even paying up to 4 figures in affiliate commissions. Plus, I'm going to show you how you can promote those products 100% free. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So choosing the right affiliate marketing program is so important because you don't want to, be spending so much time and effort, building traffic and promoting a product only to get paid like $5 or $10 per sale, okay? Because your time is more valuable than that, right? So this is why choosing the right product can be very important when you're starting out with affiliate marketing. So if we go to ClickBank, for example, ClickBank is an affiliate site where you can find a bunch of different products to promote as an affiliate. I'm sure you know about ClickBank already. And if we click on the search bar here, leaving the search bar empty, where it says find products, and if we click on this, you will see that ClickBank will show us a bunch of different products that are selling very well at the moment. And a lot of those products are actually very good, and you could start promoting them because the affiliate commissions on them are pretty high. For example, $146 per sale if you promote this particular product, and $116 per sale for this particular product. So some of those affiliate commissions, as you can see, are very high and are very good converting products that you can promote as an affiliate. However, if you're looking for those that pay you 4 figures per commissions or close to 4 figures per commission, where you really want to go is where on the left side you want to click on e-business and e-marketing, right? You want to click on this, and basically you will find courses that are selling extremely well on ClickBank that will pay you up to 4 figures per commission. For example, when we go to e-business and e-marketing and we sort the results by, say, average conversion from high to low, you will see some of those products that will pay extremely high commission per sale. As you can see, this one will pay you $1,200 per sale. This one here, the Super Affiliate System by John Crestani, will pay you close to $1,000 per sale. This one is $740 per sale. So those are really the kind of products that you want to go for when picking a product that pays really high commission, right? Because those products are like courses that will teach you how to start an online business, how to start doing certain things like starting your own selling your own products, or maybe selling other people's products. So there are a lot of valuable resources that are in here, and sometimes a lot of those valuable resources cost money, and if you promote those kind of products, you can earn amazing commissions with them. Another website that you can check out in addition to ClickBank, where you can find a bunch of products with really high commission rate, is on this website here called muncheye.com. And basically on this site you will see a bunch of new products that are about to be released to the general public, and every month you will see maybe 2 or 3 products with really high high price, high ticket offers where you would get paid a high commission as an affiliate. As you can see, when we go to muncheye.com, you will see what it says big launches, and you will see that those are the products that are going to be released this month or the following month. So if we check this product here, the wholesale formula, and we open this up, as you can see, this is a product that will be sold for almost $3,000 on the front end price, and you as an affiliate would make 50%, which is like $1,500, and that is just the front end sale, right? So they do have other things that they are offering in the back end. So if we open this up, we see that they've paid over $1 billion in sales to their students. They've generated over $1 billion in sales to their students. And if we scroll down, you see you can earn up to $1,500 commission per sale. So this is really the place where you want to go to, ClickBank and muncheye.com, where you will find those really high ticket price products that you can promote as an affiliate. And the great thing with a lot of those products is that the creator behind those products are very, very good marketers themselves, okay? They've been doing this for years and they are very good at what they do, okay? They know how to sell. They have very highly converting sales funnels in the back end that will convert the customers for you. And this is what really makes it great to promote those kinds of product, because you don't have to worry much about converting your customers. You just have to worry about driving traffic, and those creators of those products, they will do the rest for you. They have really high converting like email swipes that they will give you that you can use. They have very high converting webinars. They have really they provide you with a ton of resources that will be very helpful to help you convert more of their customers. So this is what I like about those kind of products. You don't have to do any of the heavy lifting. They do more of the heavy lifting for you. You just have to worry about driving traffic, and then the sales will come on their own. So how could you go about promoting those really high ticket products and start making those $1,000 to $2,000 affiliate commissions? Okay, so there's really two ways to go about it. You could do like paid traffic, or you could do like free traffic. Obviously, paid traffic, you will get results faster, but it will cost you money because you need to spend some money at first. You need to test ads, you need to test ad images, videos, headline, copies, ad copies. So you will have to spend a little bit of money at first, especially for those high ticket products, because they will require more money to have like one or two conversions. So if you want to go with paid traffic, you can expect to have results a lot faster. However, you should expect to spend a lot of money, especially at first. On the other hand, let's say you go with free traffic, right? So with free traffic, the good thing is that every sale that you make will be 100% profit, because you're not paying for traffic. So if you make like $1,000 per commission per sale, so this is $1,000 profit. Okay, you don't have to take out any costs of advertising or whatever, right? But the big disadvantage with free traffic is that it can take time to build. Okay, you need to be posting content online, build a following, build traffic, maybe build an email list. So it does take a little bit of time at first to build free traffic, and because of that, it can take time for you to see results. But the great thing with free traffic is that eventually, everything is 100% profit. So something that you could do if you decide to go with the free traffic route, you could do something very similar to those pages here. This page here, finance_millennial, is a page on Instagram which has 677,000 followers. And basically they post a ton of content in the business niche. So the people who are going to follow those pages are people who want to make money online, or people who want to learn how to start an online business. And as you can see, we've got over 600,000 followers, on this page. As you can see, sharing financial knowledge for more than 2 years, educate yourself, practical tips to make and save money. Here's another page here, which is a bit more new. They only have like 12,000 followers, but basically it's the same thing. They're just posting content in the business niche, and that's how they are building free traffic. So you could really do something very similar to those kind of pages in order to build free traffic for your affiliate offers. What they are doing exactly is they are doing two things. They are posting their own content, and I'm going to show you how you can go about creating those type of content. Believe me, you don't have to do anything really, just I'm going to show you. And they are posting their own content, and number two is they are curating viral content from other pages, and this is how they are growing their page quickly. Okay, so how would you go about doing this? Okay, number one is you need to post your own content as they are doing. Don't worry, you don't have to create anything. And how you would exactly do this is you would go on Fiverr.com, and basically once you go on Fiverr.com, you can simply type in business infographics, and what will happen is you will see a bunch of sellers selling those really high converting, highly enticing Instagram posts, as you can see in here. Okay, so if we go on Fiverr, you see that this seller here is selling over 1,000 business success tip infographics. Here's another one here selling infographics. Here's another one here selling 2,500 business infographics. And this is exactly what those are, business infographics. And most of them most probably bought those on Fiverr. And you can see a lot of sellers selling this. If we open one or two of those, you will see that, let's just say we open those ones. This one is selling over 2,000 business infographics, and he's only charging $35 for 2,000 editable infographic images, which is like a really good deal when you think about it, because 2,000 is enough content to post for like, you know, more than a year. This one here is offering, let's say, how many is he offering? 25, 100, 300 infographic per special tips. So this one is a little bit more expensive than the other one, but as you can see, a lot of them are offering really huge amount of infographics. Like this one, 2,500, and most probably he's charging like $25 or $30, like $25 as you can see. So a lot of those infographics are very easily available on Fiverr, and you don't have to create anything. It only costs like a few dollars, so $25, $30, which I think is a really good deal for the amount of content that you are getting. And then now you got enough content to post on Instagram, and you can even customize those content. A lot of those sellers will allow you to add your own brand color and logo, and even change, you know, the text background color and all of that. So you can have really unique content simply by buying this on Fiverr. And once you have those type of content, you can simply post this on Instagram. At the same time, you can also curate viral content from other pages, because that's what they're doing to grow their page very quickly. And if you do this consistently and you post consistently, eventually you will start seeing amazing results on your Instagram page, which you will then see through your affiliate offer results. So there you go, guys. I hope you've loved what you've learned in this video, and you've learned this really amazing way of promoting really high ticket offers. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, as I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.